This literature kit on To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee is great for mature lower-level readers, as it offers great appropriate vocabulary and comprehension activities. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Analyze the character of Atticus by using a T-chart for match characteristics with proof from the text. Complete sentences from the story with their missing vocabulary words. Describe the light and dark imagery surrounding the scene out front of the jail. Describe the editorial by Mr. Underwood, and explain why the characters compare his death to that of a songbird. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as exploring the choice of having Scout act as narrator in the story, and what advantages and disadvantages come with first-person point of view. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Map out the main events surrounding the relationship between Boo and the children. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.